Hello friends, I'm back after a very long time. My name is Loretta Malenga. Today has been a really hot day. I'll show you what I've been up to in a little while. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. My name is Loretta Malenga. It's been quite a while since I was last here, and I've not been recording any videos. This used to be my shop. I closed it because I needed a quiet time, and running a retail shop is not quite what I wanted. I turned the shop into a store and brooder for my chicken. I'll show you. This is chicken feed. I use those peppers as beddings for my little chicks. I'll show you the chicks. I have these big boxes here. This is where I keep them until they're old enough to move into the coop. Look at that. Look at that. These are just a few days old. Not even a week old yet. I keep them in here. These are 9. Then I have another box where I have the older chicks. Very naughty too. Look at that. These are 6. Very, very naughty, but not old enough to move into the bigger coop. So I'm still keeping them here for at least another week. Then I move them into the bigger coop. I still have some of my shop things though. That is also feed. That is pellets for the younger chicks. Here I have wood shavings that were soaked wet by the recent rain. I'm drying them out so that I can use them. Out there where you see that green place is where I'm going to grow my azolla. Azolla is a grass eaten by chicken, and it is grown on water. This pepper here, I will cut into 2 and grow azolla. This is a new guava tree. We have not harvested anything from here yet. I moved my solar dryer to this place. It is a better position. The sun is always there. This is our old guava tree. We have harvested guavas from it twice, and it has some new guavas. You can see that there are so many new ones coming up. See that? In a little while we'll enjoy them. This is lemon hibiscus, and then we have the avocado tree there. Let us go into the coop area. This is my coop area. Let us go in there and I show you my few chicken. That is my main cook. I call him Salongo. Here are the rest of the chicken. These are coming to 3 months. I also brooded them in the boxes. They're not so old. This is my soursop tree. This here is my cinnamon tree. This here is the lemon tree. Behind there is my neighbor's pergola. This with a broken door was my duck house. I had to take the ducks out because they ate all the beddings and they were making the water dirty. Look at these chickens following me. This here is for the older chickens. I have an egg there. That is my backup cock. These are the chicks I grew in the box brooder. So my brooder method is working out. Here I have my well, but I don't use it at the moment because I have a lot of rainwater. I will only use it when the rainwater dries out. These are my old gardens. The lady who made these gardens told me that they would last 10 years. Unfortunately, they didn't even last 1 year. These are my sasso. This one is a sasso chicken. That is a sasso chicken. My cocks, a sasso chicken. Sasso is a very good breed. It lays an egg. They lay an egg each and every day. I pick all the eggs and keep them somewhere. Then when I see any broody hen, I give it at least 10 eggs. The moment the eggs hatch, I remove the chicks and brood them in my boxes. Okay, I have set up new gardens to replace the old gardens because they did not work out. And I really need to have my own vegetables. There, where I have sealed off, I have some apple trees. I'll show you some other time. Let's see the new gardens. This is an orange tree. Here I have a lemon tree. I have another lemon tree. The pawpaw tree is dying out. This is another avocado tree. Here are my gardens, my new gardens. I'm going to grow my vegetables in a little while, and I'm not going to wait for the new season. I have made 3 gardens, but I intend to have a lot more. I'm not waiting for the rainy season because I have 2 tanks of water. I can water my vegetables each and every day. That is the first tank and that is the second tank. Together, I have 10,000 liters of water. This is my moringa tree. I have another orange there. This is my matoke garden up there. Here I have 2 jackfruit trees. I've been advised to remove one of them, but I don't feel like doing it because they seem to be different and I really love jackfruit. Here I have a mango tree. I don't know when I'll get any fruit. I have my bitter berries there and some sugar cane. Then I have a very wildly growing pumpkin plant here. See that? These are small bananas, sweet bananas at the end of the garden. Behind there, behind the fence is a neighbor. Recently, I got to know that there's a road here. So, I'll be having a small gate. I'll build a small gate here. See that? That is a road. I'll build a small gate here so that I can have an entrance and exit in front and behind my home. I have another lemon tree here. Oh, and another pawpaw there. This is the mother-in-law's tongue. I planted it here to ward off snakes. And it seems it is doing a good job because I'm not seeing them now. Here, this one is called neem tree. And then I have my rosemary here. Next time, I'm going to show you the rest of my compound and what else I've been up to. The matoke garden is there. I'll show you a view. There is the chicken coop. A view from the back. You can see the hills out there. They are not the same. Many people are moving into that estate. So many people have moved into this estate. Yet a little while ago, we were very few. Very few. I'll show you some bitter berries here. These are really bitter. See that? The sun is so hot and it is burning everything. I have to do a lot of watering. I have another pawpaw tree here, but I don't think it will do well. So friends, that is it for now. Let us meet next time. Maybe I'll show you some vegetables growing here. I'll do the planting tomorrow. Bye-bye. Till next time.